time for this week's Muse Minute, and we are joined with Jen. And Jen, this experiment, from the moment you brought it out, I was totally excited about it. So tell me what we're doing and what are some of the things that we need.
So this experiment is called Balloons Over Broadway, and it is inspired by the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, which truly is one of my favorite holiday traditions.
Oh yeah, I love it.
I love watching it, and I love watching all of the different types of balloons that are all inflated. And the reason why those balloons fly so high in New York City is because of helium.
Ooh.
But if you don't have helium, we can make our own little parade, our own little balloons.
I love it. So what do we need?
So all you're going to need is a water bottle. You're going to need some balloons, baking soda, and then I just have some vinegar here.
Okay.
And to make it a little bit easier, you can get a funnel as well.
All right. Mom and Dad might have to help out with this just a little bit so it's not so messy.
Exactly.
Okay. So what do we do first?
So first you're going to take your balloon. I've already done this, but you're going to put your funnel inside.
Yep.
And then just take a little bit of baking soda, just a couple teaspoons, and pour that in. So you can see the balloon's a little bit heavy now. It's got the baking soda inside. And then if you want to actually pour some vinegar inside here.
How much do I do, Jen?
Just about a quarter cup.
Okay.
So not
Tell me
too
when to
much.
stop.
That's great. Perfect. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to attach the balloon on top of the water bottle.
This for you.
Thank you. Teamwork. And then whenever we're ready, we're going to put the baking soda inside and watch what happens.
Wow! Oh my goodness.
Super exciting. So it just floats right on top. And you guys can try this so many different ways. It'll stay inflated for a little while. You can draw little faces on it to make your own designs. You could actually do multiple different experiments with different balloons to make your own little mini parade. You can try different amounts of baking soda, different amounts of vinegar, and just see what happens.
That is so cool, Jen. And I know that this is going to be an experiment that so many kids are just excited about this time of year.
Absolutely.
That looks great, Jen. We'll send things back to you.